Matt, who's calling from, is that Bloomingdale, Matt?
Yes, sir. Bloomingdale, New Jersey. I was actually in the dojo with my 11-year-old son, and it sounded like there was a jet flying right over the head. It was crazy.
And how did your son react?
He thought it was his kick that he was being taught. He thought he rocked the building with his kick, but it wasn't. It was actually an earthquake. We found out later.
Wait a second.
We were doing Superfoot Wallace drills.
So he thought that it was his spinning hook kick that caused you to actually suffer tremors, as you mentioned, like Superfoot Bill Wallace.
That's exactly right. We got a martial artist on our hands.
Wow. Well, that's great. Keep the kid practicing. It's great discipline.